Today I'm outside of this 3-bedroom condo on the south side of South Bend. It's $173,000. I'm actually doing the final walkthrough. I'm meeting a client here in a few minutes to do the final walkthrough on it. I thought I'd go ahead and get here early, do a little preview for it so you guys can see what $173,000 totally remodeled condo here in South Bend looks like. All right, so you walk in here, here's the front entrance. They've totally redone the landscaping here into the entrance. Really cool front door, craftsman style. This is a 2-story condo. So you've got the new brick that they put with the patio slider that actually goes into the living room. They put the mulch and the block there in front around the garage entrance, which is right there. Looks like a real nice entrance though. Let's go inside and see what it looks like. So as you walk in here in the front, you walk right up here to the entrance to the staircase. They put the new laminate flooring down. They've got carpet protectors all over because this is brand new carpet. But I really like the oak staircase with the wrought iron railings there. So all the bedrooms are upstairs. This is a large living room. So you can see that that's the slider right there that went out to the deck that we were talking about there. But I mean, this is a really large living room area. That's just a coat closet right there. So you can see the scale of it as I circle around. So I don't want to make this too long of a video, but if you walk down here, this is a little hallway that just goes down to the stairwell that goes downstairs into the basement. It's got a laundry room, little storage area and such. But you walk in here, you've got a great dining room, another huge living space with a large dining room, cool chandelier. That's another set of patio doors that opens up to your back patio area. And as you look in the back, so you've got the new cement there. This actually has a new air conditioner furnace. A lot of green space back there, so you're gonna have a lot of neighbors bugging you there. Now right off of the dining room area here is a half bath. Got the cool dark painted walls. Just a nice half bath right there, guest use. And then here again, off of the dining room, you've got the black granite countertops, beautiful maple, I believe it's maple countertop or cabinets, multi-tiered cabinets there. That's a little more high-end. Really cool light right above your sink. These are beautiful cabinets, brand new appliances, stainless steel, microwave. You got their pantry area right here. You've got actually some storage area here on the outside too as well. So you can see you got lots of room for your pots and pans and that. Great kitchen, perfect size. Looks out over here to the dining room. Great setup. Okay, so as I walk upstairs to show you the bedrooms real quick, if you want to see any houses in South Bend, Mishawaka, Granger, Elkhart, all that area, give me a call or a text. I'm here to help you. My phone number is right there. Give me a call or a text. Let's look at the upstairs. Okay, so I'm at the top of the stairs here. You got the landing area right here. We got 2 bedrooms there. This is the master. Let's go in here first. This is a large room. This overlooks the front area to the courtyard there. So you can look down, see the courtyard, the gate there I left open. Large room, easily fit a king-size bed, along with some chairs or maybe a love seat or something like that. Lots of room. Opens up right here to your vanity as well, and then a totally remodeled subway tile shower with the glass doors. That looks real nice. Okay, so I'm gonna walk out here. You've got your guest bathroom right here. Same matching floors that they had in the entrance and the kitchen area. Same matching top, beautiful granite. Tub, shower, all that inside of there. Then real quick, I'll show you the extra bedroom here. This is a large room. So it's a great extra bedroom. This looks out over, both bedrooms look out over the large area in the back. There's your patio area. And real quick, we'll show you the other room. My buyer's actually gonna use this as a den. So it's perfect size for him. He doesn't need anything real large. So this is the perfect size condo for my client. This is great. It's in a condo area. He doesn't have to take care of the yard and the snow removal and all that. This is actually a 2-stall garage, so he can park both cars in there. This is just perfect for him. So this gives you an idea of what $173,000 will buy you remodeled condo area in South Bend on the south side. So we'll see you in the next video.